Ayan Vlog. So I'm back as your YouTube channel, and today's video is I'm going to show you again the place where do I belong. La Trinidad Benguet is the place where I belong. This is my route. Charot. I katatapos na ng klase and wala na kaming klase ngayong afternoon, of course, because the students of San Vicente National High School is having their socialization mamayan 3 o'clock p.m. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit hindi ako ma-join. Nothing, I just don't want to join their socialization for personal reasons. And yes, La Trinidad, I'm here visiting you again. As you can see, yan po yung bahay namin, and sa harapan niya po is Scholars of Valley kung tawagin, and Bell Church na po doong banda. Bell Church na po yan. Nakita, if I'm not mistaken, nag-video po ako sa Bell Church noon. Nag-video po ako sa Bell Church when that time na bakasyon po namin mga grade 11 that time. And dun na po banda is KM4, KM5, KM6, and papunta na po ng Mountain Province. Hindi nga lang po siya makita kasi, wait, zoom natin. Ayan, naka-zoom na po yan, totally zoom. As you can see, makikita nyo po ang Balili River. Yan po, Balili River. Pagpunta na po doon, ang Buyagan, and the rest. And paano ba? Ayan. Ito naman po, yung mga nakikita nyo, yan, yung mga bahay-bahay dyan, around dyan. Yung mga bahay na yan, is Kugkuga po yan. Which is, itong bahay rin na to, itong bahay na kinatatawaan ko, Kugkuga rin po ito. So, yun lamang po ang video natin for today's video. Abang-abang na lang po sa mga susunod na travel vlogs natin. Again, ang title po pala ng vlog natin for today is Came Back to Where, ano daw? Biyahe papuntang patutunguhan. Charot. Ang title po ng video natin is Travel Vlog Episode 1. La Trinidad Benguet is the place where I belong.